So as Leora said, measuring PPFD essentially is a spot measurement of the density of photons at a certain point in time from whatever your light source is, whether that be a light fixture or the sun. So the difference between PPFD and DLI is we're taking that measurement over a period of time. And so the value of time actually changes what the DLI level is. And so PPFD, a measurement at one point in time at one space, the DLI is a measurement of that space, but over a period of time. And so what we did is we took some DLI values, and this is DLI information, and I chose one of the sunniest areas there in Michigan as the representation for this. And this information comes out of 2019. So this is pretty relevant information, all gathered from last year. And this data is specific for this exact location in DLI. And we can do any location on the earth with this exact information. And it pinpoints to that, like it's like a 2 square meter range. So, so for this example, we chose a target DLI of 40. And at 12 hours a day, that's roughly 940 ppfd, which is kind of a decent average, beginning average for higher ppfd cultivation. Obviously, a lot of people are cultivating with higher ppfd, some slightly lower, but we chose for this case 40, right? As you can see in the graph on the top, right, that line is our 40, and that blue line is our 40, that's our target, and that purple line is what we're naturally getting with the sunshine, right? So if you have a target DLI year-round target, right, because we want consistent production year-round, and that's what we're going for. We don't want to drop off in the winter. We want to have consistent production all year, right? And so if you're relying on the sunshine, you can see how much of a difference that we're going to have to make up for to reach our target of 40 DLI, right? And so you can break it down into each individual month if you look at the graph on the bottom, actually, or the data set on the bottom, right? And again, this is with a greenhouse transmissivity of 75, right? And so you have to take into account that your greenhouse material itself is taking away some of the photons, right? And then not only that, but if you have shade material underneath that's bunched up, if you have a lighting grid, if you have fans, all of those slightly take away from the actual natural sunlight that's coming into your greenhouse, right? And so we just based it on this, for this instance, at a greenhouse transmissivity of 75. And again, at a target DLI of 40. So as you can see, each month we have to make up quite a bit of a PPFD level to reach our target amount. As you can see, there is 0 months out of the year where you're going to be naturally getting the sunlight that you need, right? And in some months you need quite a bit more.